and all the men and women are merely players. They have their exits and their entrances. But each man, in his time, plays many parts. IMAX brings to you the final picture performance of the year. The final act. When are you going to tell him?
Please, Brad, I don't want to talk about this now.
Well, I do. It's been 6 months now. I'm tired of all the sneaking around and lying and waiting, hoping that I'll get to spend a few hours with you.
Brad, please, I've told you, I need more time.
For what? You don't love him. We both know that. You're just delaying the inevitable. Carol, I want you now.
Brad, I'm not ready for this.
I'm starting to think that you will never be ready. Hello? Oh, hello, Jason. How did the Wickerman account go?
जय क्या कर रहा है यार जब सॉन्ग क्यों नहीं मिला तो क्यों रिएक्ट कर रहा है सॉन्ग क्यों मिला तो क्यों रिएक्ट कर रहा है आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट साउंड क्यूज मैडली वेयर वाज द फकिंग साउंड क्यू
Hey, don't yell at me, yeah. You'll always blame me. Jay changed the line again.
I did not.
Yes, you did. You do it differently every time.
व्हाट वाज द लाइन सपोज्ड टू बी
In the script it says, I am starting to believe that you will never be ready.
What did I say?
You said, I'm starting to think you'll never be ready.
Same thing.
No. He said, I am instead of I am. Think instead of believe. And you'll instead of you will.
Viji, you deal with her.
Hey, I know by the script. If you can't remember your lines, that's not my fault.
BG, can we just get on with this? I have to go on time today.
I know 2 minutes Jay listen just say the lines the way they're written
I like my way better.
Yeah, because it's so much better.
Shut up!
Jay listen look at me just say the lines the way they're written
My character wouldn't say something like that. It ruins the whole scene.
look just
But
say
you, why should I have to screw up my character that I've spent 6 weeks on just because it's not going to go better than I liya tha?
You just remember
Hey, both of you, stop it यार, क्या कर रहे हो यार? Stop it. जय सुन, तुझे लाइन कैसे बोलनी है?
I'm starting to think that you'll never be ready.
Fine. You write it down that way, and you don't change it again, please.
Fine!
Fine, as long as the drama queen is happy.
Oi,
Hey,
क्या?
Messi, set पर मेरा. Are the walls ready?
No, yeah.
Why not?
They won't fit through the door.
What do you even mean?
The walls won't fit through the door.
Why not?
Because they're too big.
Oh God, come with me.
BG,
I know. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. 2 minutes, honey. Come with me. एक कप वो भी ना होता है.
Well, when are you going to tell him?
I don't.
Sanya, you can't wait forever. Even VG is not that dumb. He is going to figure out there is something going on between us.
Shut up, will you?
Okay, he is your boyfriend.
Yes. We've been going on for 3 years. And before I give that away for someone like you, I want to be sure about it.
Just, what is that supposed to mean?
Nothing.
Darling, just because you're feeling guilty about cheating on your boyfriend, Don't start dumping that on me. If you're not comfortable about the entire situation, you can walk away anytime you want.
Oh, really? And is that what you told Aisha?
What?
What? Well, you remember Aisha, don't you? The actress from your last production? She said you were the most wonderful guy in the world. Right up to the moment that you died to her. We had a very interesting conversation about you yesterday. क्या हुआ? बोलती बंद.
ठीक है. Maybe things didn't work out that well with Aisha, but that doesn't mean that. Line.
ईशा, क्या कर रहा है यार? Every time you get a scene started, you forget your lines.
It's not my fault.
But whose fault is it?
Look, I've got more lines than anyone else in this stupid play, and मेरा 2 हफ्ते से गला भी खराब है. I can't even breathe properly.
Can you at least grow up?
तेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
मेरा प्रॉब्लम. I'll tell you मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है. I'm stuck in this lame production with a bunch of amateur actors. And a director who thinks she's God's gift to theatre. This is going to be the worst play ever, and this is how I will end my acting career.
What? Are you quitting the play?
No, but मेरे parents का business डूब गया है. I'll have to start looking for a job that pays well. Can't you get a loan? No. I took every study loan there is. There is just no money left. Oh my God.
Cut! Okay, Nisha. This time, I want you to kneel when you cry instead of sitting.
Yeah, because that's going to make a difference. This play is so confusing. No one is going to understand what's happening anyway. She's right, Paul. The play sucks.
Okay, guys, listen to me. Just hear me out. Just a couple of things. I know this isn't Shakespeare, but it's going to be a wonderful play, all right?
Yeah, right.
We have to try. We have to try. What do you want to do? Quit?
Yes!
Fine then. Go ahead. But you can kiss your Aesop goodbye. Don't you think I know that this play sucks? But my first paying job as a director, and I'm going to make it work. And if any of you have a problem with that, तो बाहर में जाओ.
Mr. Smith, there's a call for you in the office.
What?
Mr. Smith, there's a call for you in the office.
My name's not Smith.
Alright, what's going on?
What are you talking about?
Did we change the lines?
What line?
The lines! Arey, the lines! Arey, see. Just a minute. Yeah. See here. If any of you don't like it, तो बाहर में जाओ. Enter Bambi. That's me. And I walk in and say, Mr. Smith, there's a call for you in the office. And then you say, thanks, Bambi. Exit left.
Who are you?
I'm playing Bambi.
What are you talking about? There is no Bambi in this play.
What? What are you talking about? What am I talking about? There is a Bambi in the play. See. If any of you don't like it, तो बाहर में जाओ. Enter Bambi. That's me. And when I say, Mr. Smith, there's a call for you in the office.
यार, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. You mean to say I'm just an actor playing the part of a director? So am I.
So am I.
I could have sworn I was directing this play.
No. You were just playing the part of a director who was directing a play that wasn't really a play.
लगता है मैं कैरेक्टर में ज्यादा ही घुस गया था.
हाँ, शायद वही होगा.
एक मिनट. This may seem like a really stupid question, but who is the director for this play?
What?
I mean, who is directing this play? I can't seem to remember.
I am directing one of the plays.
No. That's a fake play. Who's directing the real play?
What do you mean the real play?
Not the plays within the plays, but the play with everything in it.
I don't know who the director is. I mean, it got so confusing with all the plots and everything. Hello? कोई है? कोई है वहाँ?
अरे वो कैमरा लेंस फूट गई है, दोनों स्मोक मशीन में फूक गए हैं. कुछ नहीं चल रहा, क्या करना है?
तुम मुझसे क्यों बात कर रही हो?
तू डायरेक्टर है.
नहीं. I am just playing the part of the director in the second fake play.
सेकंड फेक प्ले.
Yeah.
ओके, तो डायरेक्टर कौन है?
हमें नहीं पता.
तुम्हें नहीं पता.
हाँ, it's all a bit confusing.
अच्छा ठीक है, पता चल जाए बोल देना उसको. नया कैमरा लेंस चाहिए और 2 स्मोक मशीन. I'm gonna go get a smoke.
कौन सी?
This is ridiculous. Someone must remember who the real director is. अरे chill, we will figure it out. अच्छा ठीक है, let's just sort it once for all, okay? ठीक है? Okay, tell me one thing. जब हम लोग यहाँ पे शाम को आए, तो यहाँ पे exactly कौन था?
दो जन थे.
Actually, कोई भी नहीं. Brad and I had just come back from the
No. That was just a part of the fake play.
Yeah. Brad, do you remember what happened?
My name is not Brad. It's Jay.
नहीं. Your name's not Jay. It's Viru. Jay was a character you were playing in the second play.
Oh, right, I knew that. Thanks, Saurabh.
मेरा नाम सौरभ नहीं है.
Oh,
कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता. बड़े देशों में चलेगा.
तो फिर कौन?
एक सेकंड. हाँ, मिल गया. कैरल?
Hi, Carol. I think.
Wait, I got it, I think. You're Rahul, I'm Rohan, and you're Raj.
Is it last the IT engineer who died of a heart attack? That's Rohit. Oh, thank God. यार, ये बहुत अजीब हो रहा है. I'm going home. Does anyone know where I live? You live at 22 Baker Street with your quadriplegic husband, your suicidal daughter, and your son who is afraid to reveal his homosexuality. Anyone else?
Yeah. I know. You live at Agra Mental Hospital for the criminally insane, where you were committed for being an accomplice of Asaram Babu.
No. A red light area in Kolkata where you are awaiting the results of an AIDS test.
I think I'll stay here.
यार, पर हमें अभी नहीं पता कि उधर डायरेक्टर है.
अरे यार,
I do indeed direct events. But unlike your pathetic little play acting, my direction takes place in the realm of the real. I deal with lives, not paths.
So you're God?
Ha! Hardly. Although I did work for him once.
Then you're the devil.
Some men call me that. Others, they call me Satan, Lucifer, Mr. Talphilis, Dark Lord, Voldemort. But I prefer to be known as...
Oh, hello, Jason. How did you become in the car?
Sorry, wrong you guys, wrong you. My bad.
Some men call me Satan, Lucifer.
Forget it. You're turning very lame.
You've all been condemned to hell for your sins.
Chup karo yaar, it's so good.
And please do that cheesy accent.
Arey, it wasn't so cheesy, yaar.
Oh, please. If it was any cheesier, they'd make a cheesy dip out of it.
I thought it was good. Besides, the devil thing was a cool idea.
Yeah, like it's not been done 8 million times before.
What if I was the god instead of the devil?
भगवान या शैतान, it doesn't make any difference. You still can't act. तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Ayer. Well, what are we going to do about this play?
There is no play, you fool. Haven't you figured it out yet? There's no play and there's no director. There's no reality here. Existence, identity, home. Those are just meaningless concepts. We're all just pigments of someone else's imagination. We wake up in the morning, put on our clothes and makeup, and walk through the door. And then what do? We spend the rest of our day letting other people write lines for us, choreograph our movements, direct our life. They tell us what to do and what to think and who to love and who to hate. And then one day you wake up and you realize that you're not you anymore. You're some stinking character in someone else's play.
Now, do you understand?
Understand what?
That's the last line of your monologue. Stinking character in someone else's play. Now, do you understand?
So sorry, I'm so sorry. I'll do it again. Now, do you understand? Hey, do you think I should take a little longer, pause a bit more, take it shorter? I'll show you. Now, do you understand?
No, I like the first one better. It's got more emotion to it. Feel Ariel. Even I thought so too. I know. You know, this reminds me of when I was a little girl. One day, I went fishing with my father. I remember it was a bright sunny day with delicate little clouds floating in the sky. My father told me we needed bait. So we went to this little shop by the ocean. There was an old goan man with a scar across his face and dirty yellow teeth. And my father told him he needed bait. So he opened a bag and asked me to look inside. And when I did, I saw thousands of worms crawling over each other and staring at me with those blind eyes. I started running and screaming down the ocean, and then my father came and caught up with me and took me home. So you see, Ryan, I can't marry you.
I don't give a damn about worms or old Goan men or your painful skin condition. I need you. I ain't ever gonna leave you. Papa! What?
Papa, it's your Dikra Parvez.
Why did you do that?
Do what?
You ruined our scene. तुझे क्यों घुसना था बीच में अभी?
I had to do something.
What?
Script, right?
I die on page 25.
Use your other script.
What other script?
In the play, you're an actor in a play. So instead of using the script for the play that you're in, use the script for the play that you're in the play.
Oh, Shamka. But should I be the character from the play or the character from the play that I'm supposed to be in? Or both? Or neither? Yes.
So, so your character in the first play is a handsome young man from Delhi University. But he gets killed on page 24. Not 25, 24. However, your character in the second play that you're in the play, right? In the play is a small, evil, dwarfish looking con man who pretends to be blind on the streets of New York. However, he doesn't get killed. Do you want to know what happens to him? Do you want to know what happens to him? Do you really want to know what happens to him? Well, instead, he gets stepped down by a horse. Super funny, man. So funny.
So what we're talking about is a basic philosophical question. Is it better to be rich and handsome but die young, or be short and smelly, get stepped on by a horse, yet not to die?
यार ये तो बहुत डीप हो गया.
Deep है यार.
मेरा डायलॉग है क्या?
All my lines want to come.
जरा माफ करिएगा. एक भला बोलना है. एक ही मिनट लगना चाहिए. जरा माफ करिएगा. अरे एक मिनट लगेगा मैडम. अरे एक मिनट लगेगा. अरे मिश्रा जी हमेशा लेट.
अरे शर्मा
जी, वो फरहान मिला था मुझे गुड्डू के दुकान के बाहर.
हाँ क्या बोला फरहान?
क्या ही बोलेगा, यही कि सब खत्म हो गया. महीने की आखिरी तारीख को फैक्ट्री बंद कर रहे हैं.
अब खत्म हो गया तो क्या सही में मुरादाबाद ले जाएंगे फैक्ट्री?
ओ मुरादाबाद.
और ये फरहान भी जा रहा है क्या?
हाँ, 50 रुपए घंटा जो दे रहे हैं उसे.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. हमारा तो बट्टा ही बैठ गया.
ये मत बदलना है क्या?
हाँ एक जैसा ऊंचा है ये, और ये हमारे पास तो है नहीं.
ये 3349 नहीं है, ये तो वो क्या कहते हैं उसे, ये जेट 52 है.
अरे नहीं, वो 52 2 महीना पहले ही है कि ये 3349 है. और जैसा कि हमने कहा हमारे पास तो है नहीं.
अजीब लोग हैं, सारे 52 फेंक दिए.
हाँ उन 52 में से क्या कहते हैं उसे, वो जोन समझते हैं. वो जोन निकलता था तो बड़े साहब ने सारे 52 फेंककर 349 लगा दिए। और जैसा कि हमने कहा, हमारे पास तो है नहीं।
मेरे साले के बेटे को भी ओजोन लग गया था, कैंसर हो गया उसे, मर गया।
ये साली सरकार कोई परवाह नहीं है ऐसे गरीब आदमी की। हमारी मानिया मिश्रा जी तो ये दुनिया जहन्नुम में जा रही है, जहन्नुम में। हम तो लगता है कि वापस फौज में चले जाएं।
मेरी बीवी मुझे 6 साल पहले छोड़ के चली गई। अब तो लेडीज लोगों से बात तक नहीं कर पाता। देखिएगा जरा, ये 3368 लगता है क्या?
ये बाइबिल है, बाइबिल। ये नहीं फिट होगा।
अब तो कुछ भी फिट नहीं होता।
छोटा लड़का आया था हमारा घर दिवाली पे। अब तो मानो हम पराए हो गए। कोई बात नहीं है करने को। 2 बातें मौसम की करते हैं, नहीं तो क्रिकेट देखते हैं। मिश्रा जी, अब तो हम उसे फौज के किस्से भी नहीं सुना पाते।
जब मैं 18 साल का था, अपने आप को धर्मेंद्र समझता था। सोचता था दुनिया पे राज करूंगा। अब तो लगता है कि कोई मिल जाए बस।
अरे जिंदगी तो हम तब जिया करते थे मिश्रा जी, वो बस फिर हम फौज में चले गए।
एक बात बताइएगा शर्मा जी,
आप बोलेगा मिश्रा जी?
ये स्विच ट्राई किया क्या?
नहीं क्या क्या?
पता भी नहीं काम करता है कि नहीं।
अरे जिंदगी इसी का तो नाम है मिश्रा जी।
क्या मतलब?
बस उसे टर्न ऑन करके देखना पड़ता है।
और अगर आपको टर्न ऑन करना आता ही ना हो तो?
क्या बताएं मिश्रा जी, क्या बताएं? आइए।
भाई साहब लेके जाओ। मतलब क्या है?
सारा काम हम ही से करेंगे क्या?
You know, this reminds me of when I was a little girl. One day,
We've done this already.
so
It was lame the first time.
so sorry I'm late, but you know, me and Parvez, we had to make a little stop on the way.
I know what they were stopping for.
Oh, by the way, that's Parvez. He had to go drop some of his friends to Carol's party, you know. But he'll be back soon. Simran! 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 Did you see how Parvez pulled out of here? He almost smashed into Kapoor Uncle's car. He was only fooling around. No, he wasn't. He's drunk. He only had a couple of beers.
Again.
More like a couple of 6-packs. How can you let him do that? What am I? Uski maa? Plus, why don't you go take a chill pill, huh? I don't believe you. You say that you love him, but then you let him drink and drive. If he was my boyfriend. But he's not. Is he? He's my boyfriend and you better understand that. Here, Lassie, just have this beer. Or does that go against your little sanskari principles, huh? Are you actually going to start crying now? Oh my God, she's actually crying. She's so stupid. What's wrong, Naina?
That was a police policeman at the door. There's been an accident. It's Parvez. He's dead. Why didn't I take his keys? मुझे पता था he's drunk. But I just stood there. I guess I did not want to look like a nerd. I think मैं परवेज से सच्चा प्यार करती ही नहीं थी. I can't believe it. He was just here.
ये नहीं हो सकता. There must be some mistake.
No, the only mistake was this.
वरना मुझे एक डाउट है.
What's that?
ये परवेज कौन है?
I have never heard of you.
And what about those two girls?
Yeah, who were they? Oh, so weird.
Still, it's really sad what happened with Parvez.
Yeah, he was a great guy.
अरे ओ साउंड वाली बंदी ने साउंड सिस्टम पे कोक जरूर गिरा दिया है. आवाज नहीं आ रही, क्या करना है?
We don't know who the director is yet.
अच्छा ठीक है. Whenever he, she or it turns up, बोल देना उसको हमें नया साउंड सिस्टम चाहिए, नया कैमरा लेंस, 2 स्मोक मशीन और नई साउंड वाली बंदी. I'm gonna go get a smoke.
Hey, what's your name?
Crew chief.
अबे नहीं, तेरा असली नाम क्या है?
That's all it says here. I'm gonna go get a smoke.
But don't you want to know who you really are?
I'm gonna go get a smoke. Actors.
ये क्या है यार?
I'm really sorry, guys. I know I'm really late today. I'm so sorry. Who are you? Not today, Maya. I'm really not in the mood.
Who's Maya?
And who are you?
Fine. I know you guys have been waiting here all afternoon. And मैंने तुम्हें कल ही पंक्चुअलिटी पे बहुत बड़ा लेक्चर दिया था because you guys are always late. Fine. You guys have made your point. The director is late today. I'm sorry. That was one of the worst days of my life. मुझे तुम सबसे कुछ कहना है.
तुम डायरेक्टर है?
Haven't you been listening to anything I've been saying? My husband, जिसके साथ अग्नि को साक्षी मानकर मैंने 7 फेरे लिए थे. He comes to me and he tells me he doesn't love me anymore. And that he's gay. What
have become so caught up in our own lives, our careers, even our parts in the stupid play, that we can't even see when someone close to us is in so much pain. We become emotionless robots. What happens to us? We try to be good, mean well. Somehow that's not enough. I'm sorry. We're all sorry. Please forgive us. अबे यार, मैं कौन बोला?
मेरी नहीं थी।
I don't deserve any of this. I don't deserve this.
Nice exit. Exit में बचा ली गई है।
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। बढ़िया था।
Well,
Well,
It's getting kind of late.
yeah.
Anyone knows how to get out of here?
Nothing here.
No, me neither.
हाँ पर हम हमेशा तो यहाँ नहीं रह सकते ना,
हमेशा
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा।
Tring, 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 tring. Hello? Oh. Oh my God! It's my babe! No! What happened to him? Oh no! Oh my God! Okay, I'm coming! I'll be right there! I'll be right there!
Carol! I will not let him have you for another second. I will take matters in my own hands.
Where did you get the gun?
Carol! I will not let him have you for another second. And if I have to kill him for it, then so be it.
No, Brad, no, Brad, I will not let you do this. Ah!
What have I done? What have I done?
You know, this reminds me of the time when I was a little girl. You've all been condemned to hell for your sins for all eternity. And now I shall return to my office in hell.
जानकी, मैंने पहले ही क्लियर कर दिया था that there can be only one director for a play and that I am the director for this play. For your information, you are not Sanjay Leela Bhansali. You are not even Amir Khan. So, if you want to go ahead and direct this play, then you go ahead and direct this play. Because I quit.
The face of death! It approaches! I'm dying! I'm dead! ये तो सिर्फ खरोच है, इससे क्या ही मरूंगी? वो देखो कबूतर!
Nice one, guys. Lights ready, music ready. फिर से करते चलो. And action.
चलो ऑन ही रहने दो. कोई नहीं आ जाओ. I'll quickly run you past the task. Vipul. Ashwin. Molly. Deepika. Aditi. Abhilek. Maithili. Rishi. Rahul. Actors and co-directors of the play, Nidhi and Annapurna. On behalf of the entire IMAX Tucha team, 2015-16, we'd like to thank you not just for coming here today, but for encouraging us throughout the year and helping us put up whatever performances we could manage. Thanks a lot. I'm sure I share the sentiments of the entire team when I say this. It has been one heck of a journey. Thanks a lot.